I'm not gonna fight back when you come. Whenever I lose, where you come from. It ain't gonna change if I don't stop. I ain't gonna hide these beautiful scars. Hello guys, this is Jeffa de la Cruz, and for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Beautiful Scars. Kung gusto mo matuto, tapusin mo lang yung video na to. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga videos. Okay guys, ang ituturo ko sa inyo yung with capo and without capo. So dito muna tayo sa without capo. Same chords lang gagamitin natin, 4 chords lang siya. Para makita ninyo yung difference ng merong capo and walang capo. Ang chord na gagamitin natin sa verse 1 guys is E minor, D, C add 9, and then E minor ulit, D, this time meron siyang G, and then C add 9. 4 chords lang yung ginamit natin, nadagdagan lang siya ng G, bali 2 beses natin siyang tutugtugin. So, ang E minor natin guys, so yung ating second finger, nandito siya sa first, second fret. Yung ating second finger, nandito siya sa second fret. Ang string niya ay 5th string. And then, yung ating third finger, nandito siya sa second fret din. Ang string natin ay 4th string, E minor. And then, yung D natin, D. Ang D natin, nandito siya sa second fret. Yung ating first finger, nandito siya sa second fret, third string, second finger, second fret, first string, and then yung ating third finger, nasa third fret siya, second string, D. And then yung G natin, yung ating first finger, nandito siya sa second fret, fifth string, and then yung ating second finger, nandito siya sa third fret, 6th string, and then yung ating third finger, nandito siya sa third fret, second string, and then yung ating pinky or fourth finger, nandito siya sa third fret, first string. Yung ating C at 9, yung ating first and second finger, ibababa lang natin ng tiki isang string. C at 9. Okay? Strumming pattern natin guys ay puro down lang. Down, 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 down. Start tayo sa verse 1. Broken all the pieces I've been shaping lately. Focus on the things that didn't make no sense. Guess that growing up was never meant to be easy. Yeah, I got used to doing everything sideways. Didn't really care about how anyone felt. Hiding my emotions down different x-rays. So yun ang ating verse 1 without capo. I-try natin guys yung with capo para makita natin yung difference niya. Sabi ko nga guys, pag gumagamit tayo ng capo, nakadepende yan sa pitch ng voice ninyo. So para makita yung difference, try natin. Broken all the pieces I've been shaping lately. Focus on the things that didn't make no sense. Guess that growing up was never meant to be easy. Yeah, I got used to doing everything sideways. Didn't really care about how anyone felt. Hiding my emotions down different ashtrays. Diba guys, nakita yung difference niya? Kapag meron siyang capo, so yung capo natin nasa 4th fret. Pero depende yan guys sa kung ano yung pitch ng voice ninyo. And then, yung ating pre-chorus, ang chord guys is E minor, D, E minor, C add 9, and then D. Ang strumming pattern natin dun guys is puro down lang. So, try natin tutugin. Ooh, but what interesting time. You just can't let go. It's feeling better than will make you strong. Embrace your flaws. Pero dun sa original song niya guys, meron siyang mute. So, para mag-mute siya, itatap natin dito. Dapat, yung kamay mo, nandito siya malapit. Dito. Gagamitin mo siya nito, sa palm. Okay? So, paano yon? Ganito siya. Ooh, but what if those things gone? No, you can't just let go, 'cause being part of you that will make you strong. Embrace your flaws. And then, proceed na tayo guys doon sa chorus natin. Yung chorus natin guys doon sa original song is plucking siya. Pero ang gagawin natin guys doon sa chorus is, ang strumming pattern natin ay down, 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 up. So, paano yon? Try natin tugtugin. Chorus, ang ating chords ay E minor, D, and then dalawang C. So, try natin tugtugin. I'm not gonna fight back when we come. You have bruises where we came from. It wouldn't change if I didn't start. I ain't gonna hide these beautiful scars. I don't wanna wait to hide myself. Yes, I'm gonna reason that I'm feeling like hell. But I don't wanna change if I restart. I ain't gonna hide these beautiful scars. Okay? And then, proceed tayo guys sa verse 2. Ang verse 2 natin, ang chord niya ay E minor, D, and then C at 9, E minor ulit, and then D, and then back to E minor, and then D, G, C at 9, and then D. Parang madami lang siya guys, pero 4 chords lang yan. So, try natin siyang tugtugin. Out down a road that only got me nowhere. I've seen every corner, every reach of this place. Being all alone really got me thinking. Maybe overthinking. So, try natin guys tugtugin yung verse 1, pre-chorus, and then proceed tayo sa chorus. Okay? Broken all the pieces I've been shaping lately. Focus on the things that didn't make no sense. Guess that growing up was never meant to be easy. Yeah, I got used to doing everything sideways. Really care about how everyone felt. Hiding my emotions down different x-rays. Ooh, but what it was did gone. You can't let go, 'cause being part of you that will make you strong. Embrace your flaws. I'm not gonna fight back when we come. Yeah, I got bruises where we came from, but I wouldn't change if I restart. I ain't gonna hide these beautiful scars. I ain't gonna wait to hide myself. Yes, I'm gonna listen that I feel like hell. But I don't wanna change if I restart. I ain't gonna hide these beautiful scars. I went down a road that only got me nowhere. I've seen every corner, every inch of this place. Being all alone really got me thinking. Maybe overthinking. Oh, but what ain't noticed gone. No, you can't just let go, but being part of you that will make you strong. Embrace your flaws. I'm not gonna fight back when we come. Yeah, I got bruises where we came from, but I wouldn't change if I restart. I ain't gonna hide these beautiful scars. I ain't gonna wait to hide myself. 'Cause I'm gonna win that I'm feeling like hell. But I don't wanna change if I restart. I ain't gonna hide these beautiful scars. Super easy lang guys yung song natin. I hope meron kayong natutunan sa tutorial na to. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga videos. See you sa susunod na tutorial. Bye! So, super easy lang guys ng chords natin na ginagamit. So, yun guys, Para hindi kayo malito,